Let's talk about plural nouns. A noun is a word that talks about a person, object, place, or idea, like an apple or a car. When there is only one apple or one car, it is a singular noun. But what if there's two apples, or two cars, or maybe more? The words become a plural noun. Many nouns become plural by adding an S at the end, like apple becomes apples, and car becomes cars. Some nouns are special and use a different spelling depending on the last letter, like baby becomes babies. Many nouns that end with a Y will lose the Y and add IES at the end. But be careful, we don't change the Y to an I when the word ends with AY, EY, OY, and UY. Like monkey becomes monkeys. Nouns that end with sh, ch, s, x, or z add es to the end, just like benches, dishes, dresses, and foxes. Nouns that end with f lose the f and add ves, like leaf becomes leaves. And lastly, some nouns change completely when they become plurals, like mouse becomes mice, or foot becomes feet. There are also some tricky nouns that stay the same even when they become plural, like fish or sheep.